Good evening, my name is Tristan, and today I'm going to be doing my Unit 7 journal, talking about visual aid. So to start off, what I first noticed when I was doing my Unit 6 presentation is I didn't really have any visual aids. For me, what a visual aid was just using my hands to just talk, just make a good presentation with my hands, but I didn't use anything else. I didn't use posters or nothing like that to give a visual representation about what exactly I'm discussing. Or I was just going off of my own, just my words, when I was talking. And going back on to this week's discussion board, what we talked about with our TED Talks, our presenters, my guy did the same thing. He didn't use visual representations. I think a visual representation that he used, I guess, would be he had a screen behind him when he was doing his TED Talk this week, and I guess that could just show better, especially for the audience, the speaker's facial expressions and how they're reacting to their own information that they're presenting. I think that can be really useful when presenting, having a TV speaker and a TV screen behind you that can broadcast what you are showing, the audience. And I think a good visual representation I feel like I could have used would be pictures about the area that I work in, just to show exactly what area I'm talking about and why we use it. Because I remember in my presentation for Unit 6, I talked about the Suture room that I work in my working environment and what we do there and work. But I feel like it would have been a lot more better and would have put a better emphasis on what I was presenting if I did show pictures of what it looked like, just to show how the setup was for the Suture room, Personally, that's what I would have done. If I were to do it over again, I would have used that as a reference for my visual representation, But yeah, anyways, thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next journal.